In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track KPIs in ClickUp, 5 minutes. Let's start by signing into your ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and have the right permissions to create spaces, lists, and dashboards. If you share reporting with a team, confirm that everyone who needs access is in the same workspace before you begin. Next, define and scope your KPIs. A KPI should be specific, measurable, and tied to a clear time frame. Decide what success looks like, who owns each KPI, how often it will be updated, and where the data comes from. For example, you might track monthly revenue, conversion rate, or on-time delivery. Clarity now prevents confusion later. Create a dedicated space or folder just for KPIs. Keeping KPI work separate from day-to-day tasks makes reporting cleaner and easier to maintain. Name it clearly so teammates can find it quickly, and set sharing to match your audience, private for leadership or shared for team visibility. Inside that space or folder, create a list to hold your KPIs. Think of the list as the home for your KPI records. You can create different lists for departments or timeframes, like company KPIs 2025 or marketing KPIs Q1, so your data stays organized. Now set up tasks and goals. Use one task per KPI titled with the metric and timeframe, such as customer satisfaction Q1. In the goals area of ClickUp, create a goal for the period you're tracking and add each KPI task as a target. This gives you a simple roll-up of progress across all KPIs. Add custom fields to your KPI list: target value, actual value, status, and outcome. Use number fields for target and actual, a drop-down or statuses for status, and a text field for outcome to capture notes or context. Consistent formatting like currency or percentages will make dashboards much clearer. Begin adding data by regularly updating the actual value field in your KPI tasks and goals. Establish a cadence such as weekly or monthly, and assign an owner to each KPI so updates don't slip. Add brief notes in the task comments to explain spikes, dips, or assumptions. Visualize your metrics with dashboards. Create a new dashboard and add widgets like line charts for trends, bar charts for comparisons, and number widgets for key totals. Filter each widget to the KPI list and timeframe you're reporting on to keep everything consistent. Finally, analyze and act. Use list, table, and dashboard views to spot trends, compare actual versus target, and identify where you need to adjust strategy. Save filters and views you'll reuse, and review them on a regular cadence to keep your KPIs meaningful and actionable.